Termination management, also known as employee termination or offboarding, refers to the process of ending an employee's employment with your company. It encompasses various steps to ensure a smooth and legal conclusion to the employment relationship, protecting both the employer and the employee. There are two main types of termination, which include voluntary termination, also known as resignation. This is when an employee decides to leave the company on their own accord. The second type is known as involuntary termination or dismissal. This is when the company decides to end the employee's employment. This can be due to various reasons, such as performance issues, redundancy, misconduct, or probationary period failure. Regardless of the type of termination, there are 7 key steps in termination management to be mindful of, which include: Step 1. Notice period. The notice period stipulated in the employment contract, or as mandated by labor laws, and this allows time for handover of duties and knowledge transfer to minimize disruption. Step 2. Exit interview. We should conduct an exit interview to understand the employee's reasons for leaving in case of resignation and gather valuable feedback on the company culture, management practices, or areas for improvement. Step 3. Severance package. Depending on the reason for termination, laws, and company policy, a severance package might be offered, and this could include salary continuation for a limited period, accrued vacation pay, and benefits continuation. Step 4. Final pay and benefits. We must ensure all outstanding salary, earned vacation time, and any owed bonuses or commissions are paid to the employee according to their contract and legal requirements. Step 5. Company property return. We must collect any company property issued to the employee, such as laptops, phones, access cards, or uniforms. Step 6. Data security. We must disable the employee's access to company IT systems, email accounts, and confidential information. Step 7. Record keeping. We should maintain proper documentation of the termination process, including the reason for termination, notice period adherence, and any exit interview notes. From a best practices in termination management perspective, we should consider the following: compliance with labor laws, by ensuring all termination procedures comply with relevant labor laws and company policies to avoid legal disputes. Fairness and respect, by treating the employee with fairness and respect throughout the termination process, regardless of the reason for leaving. Confidentiality, by maintaining confidentiality regarding the specifics of the termination, protecting both the company's and the employee's privacy. Consider outplacement services, by offering outplacement services to assist the employee with job search, resume writing, and interview skills during this transitional period. This demonstrates goodwill and social responsibility. By following these guidelines and best practices, we can ensure a smooth and legal termination process, minimizing disruption to our business and fostering a positive employer brand reputation.